Hey everyone, Cindy A. Lewis here, and it's time to open day 14 of our Crafter's Companion Advent calendar as we count down to Christmas. So let's just get that door open. There's been different thoughts and ideas of what could be behind this little door. So let's see if we can dig in here and see. I can't even see what it is. I may have to get some tools in here to help me dig it out. Let's see. Well, this one was a little hard to get out. It is a double heart. Is that so cute? I love it. It's not a rose and it's not a bird, Katie, but it's a double heart. And that is just in time for Valentine's Day, along with the I love you we got on day 8. So let's cut this on the Gemini Go and see how it looks. All right, the big reveal. Oh my. That's the insides. And that is the, oh my goodness, how dainty is that? Well, that's just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And it just cut right out. And it almost looks like a broken heart with the little pieces. Well, anyway, that is day 14 of our countdown to Christmas. This beautiful double heart. Is that so cute? Well, anyway, I hope you're enjoying helping me count down to Christmas with the Crafter's Companion Advent Calendar. Tomorrow is day 15. Let's see where 15 is. Right here. Oops. Right here, and that's a pretty good size window door. It's not a window because I can't see through it. A little door. So I can't wait to figure out what is in here. I just don't even know. I mean, that's a pretty good size. And I'm thinking maybe, well, I don't know. It's a mystery. So if you think you might know what you think it might be, you can comment below. If you already do know and you've opened yours, don't tell us, because we like the surprise on here on the videos as we count down to Christmas, because there's only, what, 10 more days till Christmas. So wow, time is flying by so fast. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. I love talking to you through YouTube and on my Instagram, and so I'd love to you know, get to know you and what kind of crafts you like. And hopefully I can slow down a little bit during the holidays and be able to put up some more videos. So I'm looking forward to doing a couple of things that I've already told you about. So hopefully we'll get those done this weekend. And thanks for watching.